Hey guys, we are trying this donut from Pande Manila. Pumili kami pandesal kanina. So, nakita to ni Claria, of course. So, na-try. See? Ooh. Looks so good. Okay, mommy. Mommy first. Oh, sige ikaw. First bite. Big bite, big bite. Uy! There's a surprise inside. You see it? There's a filling. Okay, let's try. Mommy's turn. There you go. It's good. It's creamy.
Chewy?
Para siyang ano?
Chewy cookie.
Whipped butter. Para siyang whipped butter na may cream. Ganon. Ganon ang lasa niya. So,
M&M fall.
that's about it. You want to take another bite?
Yes.
So you can taste the feeling. Ooh, it's good, no? So good and fluffy. Oh my God, look.
There's butter inside.
So good.
Come it again. Last bite.
Sarap nitong filling inside. Go. Good, no? Good. Ito yung pandesal namin, no? Sarap. And also, masarap pa rin yung kanilang spread. Herb cream cheese with real garlic and parsley bits. Pandesal. Pero yung nila, yung pandesal nila, wait, I'm talking. Yung pandesal nila, parang, medyo nag-iba lang yung texture ng pandesal compared to before. Of course, tagal na tayo bumibili sa Pande Manila. Medyo mabilis lang siya break out. Yes, break out. Parang parang crumbly. Yes, tama ba yung ganun?
This is my orange juice.
One more bite. Ang sarap. Kaso lang yan. Messy lang siya kainin, pero ako lang. Yummy.
This is my orange juice.
Oh, good. Good. Very good tong donut na to. See ya!